anti-terrorist squad of the Goa Police held a joint counter-terror exercise with the National Security Guard. We would like to specifically mention that the Goa anti-terrorist squad holds such counter-terrorism exercise gains significance because of the forthcoming exposition of the sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier, where the state is gearing for this event, and we, the Goa ATS as well as the Cathedral, and this terror exercise, joint terror exercise was conducted with the participation and synergies and seamless. This joint terror exercise, counter-terror exercise has been a good success. To hold such joint counter-terrorism exercises in future with the NSG as well as the allied forces of other states. Joint counter-terror exercise which we hold every year. So this time the particular exercise that we have held here at this point of time gains significance because of the forthcoming exposition, where we have been able to assess our own capabilities. Now, VVIP's movement that is handled by the other unit of Goa Police, which is the security unit, wherein the Goa ATS commandos